So you need to go to insert, page element, then page numbers. Here you have 4 options. If you want it to be in the header or the footer, and here if we want to start from the first page or from the second page. So as you see here, it's page 1, 2, and 3. Let's remove them. And if you want to start from page 2, so do the same thing, but we'll go for page number and header starting on the second page. And here as you see it's 0. I can delete it, and here it's 1 and 2. Let's say that you want to start from page 3. So here I'm gonna select this, just click on this, go to insert, then break, page break, and here we have 4 pages. Never mind it, you can just delete it. Now it's 3. Here I'll go to insert, page element, page numbers, but instead I will go to more options, and here let's go from this section 2, and start at 1, apply. Now we have the first page at page number 3. Voila, and like that you now learned how to start page numbering from any specific page. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.